Hi, my name is Juan Serafika, and I'm registering to vote because as a Filipino American, I want to make sure our voices are heard.
Voting is a must because we are the Asian American Pacific Islanders, have a strong voice. These voices must be heard.
I'm here to tell you that it's very important in this election that all of us get together and vote because the Asian American vote will make a difference in this very crucial election.
Hi, I'm Cesar Almasi. Join us to vote this year in the upcoming election. Your voice counts.
We're counting on you. One voice, one count, it makes a difference. Go out and vote. Make it count right now. See you there.
Our count is so high, there's now no excuse for any of the Filipinos not to register and vote. So, in order for us to really count and to really matter, go out, register, and vote.